All right, folks, it's Eric from Option Edge, and today I want to show you a cool feature that Tastytrade platform allows you to do that platforms like Robinhood do not allow you to do. And what I like about Robinhood is it's very beginner friendly. The interface is easy to understand. I think the options chain is easier to learn from than, for example, Thinkorswim or this platform, Tastytrade. However, there's better features on these other platforms. And today I want to highlight one of the features that I like on the Tastytrade platform, and that is the roll feature. I have a vertical spread here, and let's say I wanted to roll this option. Okay, I can click on the roll positions button. It's going to bring up the options chain, and it's going to show where my original contracts are at, which is the 35 and the 33 put spread. And you can see it's going to buy to close and sell to close here, and that's illustrated right here: sell to close, buy to close. And then it's going to show the next week's expiration cycle automatically. So you can see this is March 17th, this is March 24th, and we have the 35 and the 33 same strikes, and we're going to sell to open and buy to open, and that's illustrated here as well. And if you don't like this particular expiration cycle, you can click that. Drops down all the different expirations. We can go out to April, and then on the side it shows you what type of credit or net debit you'd get for rolling. Yeah, this feature makes it really great with spreads. You can roll an entire iron condor. That's something you cannot do in Robinhood. So this is like a big game changer and just makes everything easier.